In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a zip file in Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or managing your personal files, working with zip files in Google Drive is straightforward once you know how. So let's dive right in and simplify the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. To do this, open your favorite web browser and type in the URL drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Drive home screen where all your files and folders are stored. Next, locate the zip file that you wish to open. You can do this by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top to type in the name of the file. Click on the file once you find it to select it. This will highlight the file and display additional options in the top menu bar. Now with your zip file selected, look towards the upper part of your screen and click on the option labelled Open With. A drop down menu will appear showcasing various compatible apps that can open your zip file. From this list, select Zip Extractor. If you don't see Zip Extractor on the list, you'll need to install it. It's a free app available through the Chrome Web Store designed specifically for this purpose. Once you've clicked on Zip Extractor, if this is your first time using it, you'll need to authorize it to access your Google account data. Click on the Authorize Zip Extractor button and follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary permissions. Following the authorization, click on Open Zip from Google Drive. This action will lead you to a new window where Google Drive will prompt you to choose the Google account associated with your zip file. If you're managing multiple email accounts, make sure to select the right one. After confirming your account, you'll be directed to a new interface where you need to select the zip file again. A list of files should appear, enabling you to check the contents of the zip file. When you're ready, click the Select button to proceed. This will prepare your files for extraction. Finally, click on Extract to Drive. At this point, the application will begin the process of unpacking the contents of your zip file and saving them to your Google Drive. And there you have it, you've successfully opened and extracted a zip file in Google Drive. You can now access all the files that were compressed right within your drive. This method not only keeps your files organized, but also allows you to easily share them with others as needed. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how convenient managing zip files in Google Drive can be.